Come test drive the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, dual moonroof, touring suspension, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.